Nagpur, the second capital of Maharashtra, a city which has made headlines in the New York Times as the second fastest growing city in India. Nagpur is Southeast Asia's emerging cargo hub and World Trade City, having investments flowing in from across the globe. It is the future aviation and IT city of India, along with Mehan, which is the largest special economic zone in central India. It has already seen the inflows of companies like TCS and Global Logic, which have already begun operations, and other software giants like Infosys. The city flaunts the zero point of the country and is well connected to all parts of the city by rail, road and air. Along with being one of the fastest growing two-tier cities in India, Nagpur is ranked India's cleanest and the second greenest city in the country. The city's infrastructure is a national showcase, especially the roads and flyovers across the city. Nagpur has country's 10th biggest consumer market, ahead of 21 state capitals, and has immense opportunities for all spheres of the society. The city has been known by its luscious orange exports in the world, but now Nagpur is going to have a truly new identity, a feature that is going to give it the edge among all the other places in the country in the recreation industry. An initiative which will bring thousands of tourists every year to experience this extravaganza. Introducing to you one of the biggest and colossal recreation projects in the country, Lotus Amusement Park. A park that sprawls in 112 acres near the Panchdhara Lake, having world-class amenities of state-of-the-art adventure rides, water park, water sports, marriage gardens, a lakeview resort, hot air balloon adventure, indoor and outdoor games, and a colossal, one of its kind, 25-meter tall, 2,000 capacity lotus-shaped banquet, which will witness the largest and the most extravagant events of the country. Lotus Amusement Park is just 50 kilometers from the Nagpur city and will be well connected by dedicated shuttle service from various parts of the city. People can come in from various parts of the city and get this car-toll road from which they can come there to experience one of the biggest projects in the history of Vidarbha.